Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long range weather forecast discussion for May 6th to the 10th. We're here looking at the current pattern. We have a high, strong upper level high over the northeast, over the eastern Canada, and it's blocking, will be blocking systems from moving too far to the north. Now we're going to have two upper lows during this forecast period. One is supposed to be moving sort of like this way, and then loops back in to the west coast. I don't know if you can see that very well. I'll do it again. Kind of goes in this way and then back in. And this system then we have another system here, and this might move up along the east coast later in the week. So the amplified flow across the nation's forecast to remain in place for May 6th to the 10th. Ridges forecast over the south central plains and southeast Canada. The main weather makers during this period will be these upper lows that are on the weather map. Now, models are trending wetter with these cutoff lows. Heavy precipitation will be likely across the southern Appalachians and up the east coast. In the west, the system will cause heavy precipitation. In the west, cold air supplied by the upper level system will produce snow in some of the higher elevations. So the models are in good agreement with the pattern for May 9th to the 13th. However, the GFS and the Canadian ensembles are more progressive than the European model. So during this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here and across northern New England and below normal temperatures across this region. For precipitation, and forecasting below normal precipitation here and for northern New England and above normal precipitation for this region. So now I'm going to go for the period for May 14th to the 18th. The GFS remains more progressive than the other models. Above normal heights are forecast over the western U.S., below normal heights are forecast over the Great Lakes and the southern U.S. I wanted to look here at the spaghetti plots. You can see this is the spaghetti plots, and it show that they're pretty much in agreement, except maybe the confidence is low over here across the northwest, and here over the southern, enlarge it, over the southern plains in the northwest. Now we go further into the period. This is for wait a minute. Like I said, I thought I had the wrong map up, and the forecast starts to diverge in here across with the upper low moving across the southern Rockies. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures from the Mississippi Valley to the west coast. For precipitation, I'm forecasting below normal precipitation for this region here. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for May 6th to the 18th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.